What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to connect your computer to a domain. Let's get started. I already got my Windows client set up, which is my Windows 10 virtual machine, and I also got my Windows Server 2019 set up, and I have already configured my domain, local domain. So what I want to do is I just want to connect my client to the domain. So what we're going to do here is to go to command prompt and then you type ipconfig to know your server IP because you're going to need the server IP for the settings. Close that out. And then what you want to do is to go to this PC. You right click anywhere here, you go to properties, and then because we want to change it from work group to a domain, we change the settings from here, and then we click here to change it. And as you can see, it's already in a work group, so we want to change it to a domain. So you click domain, and then you type in your domain. Mine is subtech.local, and then I click on OK. Now, this is a problem that you might run into. So I'm just gonna show you how to fix this real quick. So if you run into a problem like this, what you gotta do is it's actually saying that your domain name might be wrong or something. What you gotta do is to make sure that you change the IP, you check for the IP on your server, and you're going to use the IP of your server to configure this settings. So let's get started and let me show you how to do with it. Let's close that out, close that out, close that out, and let's go to right click your start button and go to network connections, and then we want to go to change adapter options, and this is my network right now, so I'm gonna right click on it and go to properties, and I just want to select TCP IPv4 and go to properties, and this is the problem right here. So this is running on automatic assigning, but my DNS server it's running on here. So what I got to do here right now is to change this setting to the IP address of my server. So I'm gonna change this to my IP server, the server IP that I got real quick. And then once you are done that, you click on validate signs upon exit, and then you click on OK, and you close this out. And since we already connected to the internet, this doesn't really matter, so you just cancel it out. And once you're done with this, you can go ahead and configure and connect your computer to your domain. So let's do it again. You go to properties, and then you go to change, and then change, and then domain, and then we type in our domain, and then we click on OK, and then bingo, there we are. So here, once you're here, we click on the username and the password. You click on OK, and there you go. So welcome to the subtech.local domain. So there we are. We just finished completing joining our Windows PC to our domain. Yeah, and then it will try to let you restart your computer. So there it is. So yeah, we wanna check if everything is connected well. So we're just gonna come to this PC, and then we're gonna make sure everything was connected well. So you click on properties, and we can see the domain is subject.local. So it is changed to domain. So thank you guys for watching. If you got any questions, just write it down in the comments and I'll pretty much respond to you. So thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.